All right, guys, so process of Botox, really easy injection. After I visited with my patients and all the expectations, knowing what's good, what's bad, what they don't like, I think there's high value on what patients see and what people feel. And my job is to pair the emotion to the look of what we have. Some people feel tired, tells me we got to open their eyes up. Maybe they're feeling a little sunken or sagging. So we want to pick things up to give that beautiful look that we desire. So with Joey, we're going to actually keep him maintained. He's starting to get a little animation happening on the forehead. So Botox is best, as you know, consistently. So if we don't let those lines ever come back, we're going to just keep them maintained and prevented. And this is ultimately what makes Botox best, is consistency over time, keeps consistently the lines going. So let's mark them out. So of course on the 11s, I'm going to have Joey make an angry face. Not too bad right there. So I do like to hit that Procerus muscle nice and naturally. This is the muscle that's going to push him down, okay? And then make that angry face, Joey. Angry, angry. Not bad there. He's doing fantastic. So once again, big prevention here. We're going to go 1, 2, deep to medial, deep to medial, medial to deep, I'm sorry, and then raise up on the brows and relax. So as you can see, a lot of lower lines, we're going to still keep him consistent on the forehead. So raise on the brows, Joey, and relax, perfect. So we're going to just balance him 1 and 2, and we're going to go medial there. I'm going to do these light touches high, even though he doesn't get a lot of contraction, and we're going to kind of make sure the lower line positioning is really good for him. Raising the brows really hard, and relax. That's perfect. You know, we get a little pull there. I'm going to do this one high on him so we can get the balance, and then raise on one more time and relax. So Joey does get this little pull on the brow. A lot of people don't think you can correct this. You actually can. So a half a unit on the corner of the brow will not allow him to spock up unnaturally. So we're going to keep the brow positioning really soft and natural. And then smile for me nice and relax. Beautiful. We always want to keep those eyes open and natural, so we just do light little touches here. For more of a masculinized look, we don't hit the crow's feet as much as we possibly could, because I do think for a masculinized look, it's going to keep things very natural and appropriate for the look that they desire. So this is where we're going to show you a really easy injection pattern that we can do in less than 2 minutes, guys. So let's start. And once again, we're always about communicating. I want Joey to tell me if there is anything that's pulling, or for example, some people get a little sneezy here. So he's going to always let me know if there's anything that's bothering him. As you can see, redness bumps, that will go away in about 5 to 10 minutes. That is, the product itself just needs to absorb and soften naturally. So let's go a touch. These are the low lines on Joey that we're going to catch. Very soft, very natural, nothing overdone. So aftercare, pretty simple. As we know, there is a 4-hour set time. So all patients, we want to make sure no facials, eyebrows, eyelashes, massage. I do tell patients, hold for exercise for today, as we want to make sure product distributes evenly in the muscle. After today, everything's going to be fine. We let that fully kick in at 2 weeks and make sure it's a beautiful, exact to the expectations that Joey set.